How to clear cache on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to free up space and refresh the app in just a few steps. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. Let me show you. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Free Up Space to open the cache settings. From there, tap on Cache to remove all the cache data stored by TikTok on your device. At this stage, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Clear to confirm. Following this, TikTok will now clear all the cached files and free up storage space on your device. Once done, go back to your TikTok feed and check if the app is running more smoothly. From here, if you want to clear the cache through your device settings as well, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for TikTok and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache to remove any remaining cached files stored at the system level. Once done, reopen TikTok and check if everything's loading properly. Finally, if TikTok is still running slowly after clearing the cache, try restarting your device. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open TikTok and it should be running much smoother. And that's it. If this guide helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.